Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael over at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, 1969 Mustang Mach 1. Very rare. It's only one of built with air conditioning. It actually blows nice and cold. Got a lot of nice options. Power steering, power brakes. It's got the 351 4-valve engine in it. 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the wide ratio. It's also Aztec Aqua. Really cool fitting color. Super straight, really nice car, highly detailed, interior is beautiful. Also has the black Mach 1 seats as you'd expect. Very correct. AM 8-track stereo. Shaker hood. Very straight, as you can see. Interior is beautiful and correct. Really special car. So it's showing 71,947 miles. Cruise with the Doobie Brothers on the 8-track. Headliner's real nice. Dash is also really nice. Got all the correct flat black on the hood, the tail, and the louvers. Very correct under the hood. Fully loaded. It's got power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. It's been converted to 134 A. Love the shaker hood. All the correct markings everywhere. Has a very, very nice patina. Got the correct manifolds, no headers or anything like that. Definitely pretty cool. Love this color. Let me show you the trunk. Got a lot of documents that go with this car. Receipts, Marty report, owner's manuals. Here's the Marty report. As you can see, there was almost 300,000 built in 1969. 131,000 and change were non-Shelby sport roofs, which is what this is. There was 34,000 and change had the 351 4 valve. 9,000 had the 4-speed. 60 of them had the Aztec Aqua, it's a gorgeous color. 35 had the black interior with the Mach 1 bucket seats. 2 of them with the AM/FM 8-track like this vehicle here. And only 1 had air conditioning. This is it. We got a plethora of receipts here. All kind of maintenance and everything was done. Everything that ever had to be done has been done. Very, very well maintained. Make a great vehicle for anyone's collection. Very solid in the quarters here. These are original quarters, as you can see. Same thing on this side. Very original, has all the correct undercoating and spray. No evidence of damage anywhere. Back pan's perfect, as you can see. And looks like it has a new tank. New gas tank. Just a beautiful car. All the lines are really nice. Doors line up really nice. Hood lines up really nice. The nose, very, very nice. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. If you guys have any questions at all, give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, details, and information on our website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.